Here I have iPad mini 2021, and today I'm going to show you how to customize accessibility shortcuts feature on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the accessibility section, then to the accessibility shortcuts, and here you can customize these features. So when you have enabled accessibility shortcuts, you can triple press power key and access them here, but you can also customize them by selecting different shortcuts. You can customize their order too, like this, and after that you will have your shortcuts in a different order here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.